How to find cash tag on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find cash tag on Cash App, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to find cash tag on your Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App. Now if you don't know what cash tag is basically a series of numbers or your name that you've entered just like a username that people can use to send and receive money from you. To define this, all you have to do is after you open up Cash App and make sure you're signed in, you want to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, right next to this dollar sign at the bottom of your name, you have a little name, and that name is basically your cash tag. Now if you're on the US, you will say dollars. If you're on the UK, you will say GBP or Great Britain pound or whatever else. And then what you want to do is, if you'd like to change your cash tag, you can just tap the edit profile option here, and then you can just select the cash tag option. You can choose a new cash tag that you want to use, but make sure no one else other has chosen a specific cash tag. And this way you can find and change a cash tag on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.